Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to create an AI assistant for wellness and care solutions. So I run a wellness center and want to use AI assistant to provide daily health tips and nutritional consultation, making self-care easy and consistent. And I am going to build this AI assistant using Pabbly Chatflow, and this AI assistant is going to respond to my customer queries on the basis of the knowledge base I have provided to it, and that knowledge base contains details of my business. So firstly, in this video we are going to create an AI agent using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if a user will send a message, an automatic reply will be sent to them. So if you also want to build this AI agent or this automation, then let me take you towards my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video we are going to learn how to create an AI assistant for health and wellness care solution. So right before you on my screen you can see this is the AI assistant I have created, and now I am going to show you how you can create this AI assistant for your own business. And this AI assistant is going to respond to your customer queries 24/7 and provide answers to their queries on the basis of the knowledge base you have provided to it, and that knowledge base must contain the details of your business. So now I am going to show you how you can create this AI assistant by using Pabbly Chatflow. So here you can see my AI assistant looks like this inside the Pabbly Chatflow. Now I am going to show you the real working of this automation or this AI assistant. So for that, let's move on to my WhatsApp with me. So here you can see I have already opened my WhatsApp, and now I am going to send a message to the number which I have already connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account, and here this number is saved as my test number. So here I am going to enter a message that is, "Hey, I need help," and this is my user's first message, and I'm going to tell you about this user's first message while creating our AI assistant. So here I have entered this message, and as I have provided this message, my AI assistant is going to fetch business details from the knowledge base I have provided to it. So here you can see this is the knowledge base I have provided to it. Now let's move on to my WhatsApp, and here you can see my AI assistant is responding to me with a message which says, "Absolutely, what do you need help with? I am here to assist you." Now I am going to enter a question for testing this AI assistant. So here I am going to enter this question, and as I have entered this question, now let's wait for the response of our AI assistant. And here you can see as I have entered this message, my AI assistant is responding to me with variety of services provided by this business. So now I am going to enter another question for my AI assistant. So here I am going to enter this message that is, "Tell me about your wellness program." And as I have entered this message, my AI assistant is responding to me with a message which contains details of the wellness program provided by this business. Now let's enter another question for my AI assistant. So now I am going to enter this message that is, "How can I keep myself healthy?" And as I have entered this message, and here you can see I am getting the message which contains the tips for staying healthy. So here you can see that our AI assistant is responding correctly. So here you can see our AI assistant is working properly. So you can also create an AI assistant like this for enhancing your business. So for that you just have to access Pabbly Chatflow, and for accessing the Pabbly Chatflow you just have to type its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/chatflow. And once you will enter the URL, you will be getting the landing page of Pabbly which can be seen here. And here you can see we are getting two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user you can simply click over this sign up free, but if you are an existing user you can simply click over this sign in. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing the chat bot. But before moving on forward, I am going to tell you about Pabbly Community. So here you can see this is the page of Pabbly Community where automation users, marketers and business owners gather to share their ideas, ask questions and get relevant update regarding using the Pabbly applications. So you can also join Pabbly Community now and grow your business with us. And if you wish to join the Pabbly Community, you can find link in the description given below. Now let's move on to the Pabbly Chatflow, and here I am going to simply click over this sign in as I already have an account. And once you finish your sign up, you will be getting this all Pabbly apps page, and here you can see we are getting many products provided by Pabbly. And as we are going to create an AI assistant, for that we just have to access this Pabbly Chatflow app. And for that you simply have to click over this access now button, and we will be landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly Chatflow which can be seen here. And on this dashboard page page, you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my account. And you can also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking on this add WhatsApp number button, and here you can see we are getting two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. So if you want to integrate your WhatsApp number, you can simply click over this WhatsApp Connect, and if you want to connect with token number, you can simply click over this Manual Token Connect. And if you want to learn more about this process of adding WhatsApp number to the Pabbly Chatflow account, you can find video link in the description given below. Now moving on to the sidebar, you can see these are the features provided by Pabbly, and as we are going to create an AI assistant, for that we just have to click over the AI assistant given on the sidebar. And if you want to learn more about these features, you can find video link in the description given below. Now let's click over this AI assistant. And as you will click over the AI assistant, you will be landed to the AI assistant page where you can see the AI assistant I have created in my account. And if you want to create your own AI assistant, you just have to click over this add AI assistant button, and here you have to provide the assistant name. So here I am going to provide it the name Serenity Wellness and Care, and this Serenity Wellness and Care is the name of my brand. So afterwards you simply have to click over this add AI assistant button, and we will be landed to the AI assistant page which can be seen here. And here you can see we are getting this AI instruction tab, and on this tab we are getting this AI instruction section where we are getting the option for selecting the instruction type. So from here you can select the instruction type such as AI agent, customer support agent, sales agent, language tutor, coding experts, life coach, futuristic fashion advisor. And you can also select the custom prompt, and as you will select the custom prompt, you will be getting this prompt instruction. But here I am going to select my AI agent as I am going to create an AI assistant, and here in this instruction section you can provide roles and regulations for your AI assistant. And afterwards we are getting this AI configuration section where we are getting the option for temperature. So now you might be wondering, what is this temperature doing over here? So temperature here basically shows the creativity of the AI's answer. Here 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. So as you move towards 0, your answer will be more focused, and if you move towards 1, your answer will be more creative. But here I am going to keep it as the same, that is 0.5, which is a friendly temperature. And afterwards we are getting the option for selecting the AI to use. So here I am going to select my AI, that is OpenAI. And afterwards we are getting the option for selecting the model. So here I am going to select my model as GPT-4o mini. And the next section we are getting is for the API key. So here you can see it is asking me to paste the API keys. So for getting the API key, you just have to visit this help desk which says kindly visit your OpenAI API's key page to get the API key that you need to enter here. So now let's select this OpenAI API's key page, and here you can see we are landed to this OpenAI API's key page where we are getting the option for create new secret key. So you just have to select it, and you will be getting the option for providing the name and the project name, and afterwards you have to click over this create secret key button and your API key will be created. But as I already have my API key, I will be just pasting it over here, and afterwards you simply have to click over this connect button for connecting this API key. And here you can see we are receiving this pop-up which says OpenAI key saved successfully. And the next section we are getting is for the AI assistant settings. So from here you can manage some of the AI assistant settings such as header message, footer message, stop keywords, retry attempt and fallback message. So if you want to provide header message or the footer message, you just have to enable it and enter the header or the footer message. But I am not going to provide any header or the footer message, so I will be just disabling it. And afterwards we are getting the option for stop keywords. So stop keywords are the words that can stop your AI assistant. Now let's say I want to stop my AI assistant as soon as someone enters a message consisting of this word, that is stop. So for that you just have to make this word as your keyword. So you just have to type it and press the enter key, and here our one keyword is ready. But here I am not going to provide any stop keyword. I have shown you just for the demo, so I will be just disabling it. And afterwards we are getting the option for retry attempt. So retry attempt basically specifies the number of fallback retry attempt if the AI assistant fails to respond, and the valid range of this retry attempt is from 1 to 10. So here you can enable this retry attempt and enter the number from the valid range, and here I am going to just disable it. And afterwards we are getting the option for fallback message. So fallback message is the message which will be sent to WhatsApp if the AI assistant is not responding correctly, and here we are already getting a fallback message, and here you can provide fallback message according to you. So with this we are done with our first tab, that is for the AI instruction. Now let's manage our second tab, that is knowledge source. So here you can see it is asking me to upload the file. So here you have to upload the knowledge source which contains details of your business. So I have already shown you the knowledge base I have created for my business. So here you can see this is my knowledge base, and now I'm going to provide this knowledge base to my AI assistant so that my AI assistant know about my business and can respond to my customer queries. Now let's move on to the AI assistant again, and here you have to remember one point, that you can upload the file only in .txt or .pdf format. But if you have any image over your .pdf file, then we have a limitation of only 10 pages. But if you don't have any image, then no worries, we don't have any limitations for that. And for downloading your file in either of these format, you just have to go to your knowledge base, and here you can see we are getting the option for file. So you just have to select it, where you can see we are getting the option for download. So you just have to select it, and from here you can download your file in either of the format, that is .pdf or .txt. So I have already downloaded my file in .txt file format, so I will be selecting it over the AI assistant. So now let's move on to the AI assistant, and here I am going to simply click over this choose or drag a file here button, and we will be landed to my download section, where you can see the knowledge base I have created for my business. So I am going to just select it, and as I have uploaded my knowledge base, I am getting this pop-up, that is file uploaded and processed successfully. And as I have uploaded my file, I have got this name and the vector ID. So with this we are done with this tab also, that is knowledge source. Now let's configure this another tab, that is assistant interface. And on this assistant interface tab, you can see we are getting the option for header display heading name, and here I am going to provide my heading name as my brand name, that is Serenity Wellness and Care. So here you can see I have entered this header display heading name which is appearing over the preview of your chatbot, and here you can see I have entered this heading name which is appearing on the preview of the chatbot, which can be seen on your right side. So here you can see I am getting the subheading name over the preview of the chatbot, and afterwards we are getting the option for header display subheading name, which we are already getting as we are online and happy to assist you. And this subheading name is also appearing over the preview of the chatbot below the heading name in the header section. So you can also provide subheading name to the preview of your chatbot, and afterwards we are getting the option for initial message, and here we are already getting an initial message, that is hi there, how can I help you today. And this initial message is also appearing over the preview of the chatbot, but here you can create only two initial messages. Now let's say I want to create an initial message, that is hello. So for that I will be just typing it and press the enter key, and here our one initial message is ready, and this initial message is also appearing over the preview of the chatbot. But here I am going to remove this initial message as I have created it for the demo. And afterwards we are getting the option for display the powered by Pabbly label, and this powered by Pabbly label is appearing over the footer section of the preview of the chatbot. Now let's disable it and see the changes, and as I have disabled it, this powered by Pabbly label has been disappeared from the preview of your chatbot. And now I am going to just enable it, and afterwards we are getting the option for footer text, and here we are already getting a footer text, that is privacy policy, which is appearing over the footer section of the preview of the chatbot. So here you can provide the footer text, and the next option we are getting is for the footer link. So here you can provide your footer link. And now at last we are getting the option for users first message, and here we are already getting a users first message, that is I need help, and this is the message I have entered over my WhatsApp chatbot while testing this AI assistant. And this users first message is the message which will be sent to WhatsApp from the user's side. So here we are already getting a users first message, that is I need help, but here I am going to convert it as hey I need help. And with this we are done with our users first message, and we have configured our assistant interface tab. Now let's provide styling to our AI assistant for customizing its visual appearance, and here we are landed to styling tab, where you can see we are getting the option for selecting the theme mode. So here our theme mode is already selected as light. Now I am going to select it as dark, and we will see the changes. And as I have selected my dark theme mode, you can see the changes in the preview of your chatbot, but here I am going to keep it as light. And the next we are getting is the option for assistant shape. So from here you can provide assistant shape such as circle, square and rounded square, but here I am going to keep it as the same. And now the next option we are getting is for changing the color of the properties of your WhatsApp chatbot. Now let's say I am going to change the color of this property, that is assistant background color. So I am going to just select it, and here I am going to choose another color. Now let's say I have selected this color, and here you can see the changes in the preview of your chatbot. So by this way you can change the coloring of the properties of your chat bot. And at last we are getting the option for header profile picture, assistant profile picture and background picture. So if you want to provide any kind of these profiles, you can just upload it over here. So here we are done with our styling section also, and we have created our AI assistant. Now we just have to activate this AI assistant for enabling it. So you just have to enable it from here, and here our AI assistant has been enabled successfully. Now we just have to save this AI assistant. So for that you simply have to click over the save AI assistant button, and here you can see we are receiving this pop-up, means we have successfully saved our AI assistant. Now if you want to embed this AI assistant to your own business, you simply have to click over this embed button, and you will be getting the script code. You just have to paste the script code to your business, and this AI assistant will be embedded to your business. So here you can see embedding AI assistant is so easy. So now you can also use this AI assistant for your own business. So here, as we are done with our creation of the AI assistant, now I am going to show you how you can enable this AI assistant for your all contacts, or for a particular contact list, or for a particular chat as well. So for enabling this AI assistant for your all contacts or for a particular contact list, you just have to go to settings, and here you can see we are getting the option for inbox settings. So you just have to select it, and you will be landed to the inbox page, which can be seen here. And now you just have to scroll down, and at last you can see we are getting this option for enable AI auto reply. So you just have to enable it, which is already enabled, and afterwards from here you can select the contact list for which you want to enable this AI assistant. And if you want to enable this AI assistant for your all contact, you can select all contacts over here, and from here you can select the AI assistant which you want to enable for your all contacts or for a particular contact list. So here you can see this is the AI assistant which we have recently created. So I am going to select it. So this is the way you can enable AI assistant for your all contacts by just clicking on the save button. So here I have told you that how you can enable this AI assistant for your all contacts or for a particular contact list which is created over the Pabbly Chatflow. But now I am going to show you how you can enable AI assistant for a particular chat. So for that you simply have to go to inbox, and we will be landed to the inbox page, which can be seen here. And I am going to enable this AI assistant for my particular number. So now I am going to select it, and on my contact number you can see we are getting the option for choose AI assistant on your right side. So you just have to enable it, and afterwards from here you have to select the AI assistant which you want to enable. So here I am going to enable this AI assistant which I have recently created, that is Serenity, Wellness and Care. Now we just have to click over the save button, and our AI assistant will be enabled for my particular contact or for a particular chat. So here you can see we are receiving this pop-up, means our AI assistant has been enabled successfully. So now we are done with this creation and enabling of AI assistant. Now let's test our AI assistant. So for that let's move on to my WhatsApp again, and here I am going to clear my previous chat, and afterwards I am going to enter my user's first message which I have recently told you about. So here I am going to enter this message. Now let's wait for the response of our AI assistant, and here you can see my AI assistant is responding to me with a message which says, of course I am here to help, what do you need assistance with? Now let's enter another question for our AI assistant to check whether it's responding on the basis of the knowledge base I have provided to it or not. So here I am going to enter a message, that is what services do you provide? And here I have entered it. Now let's wait for the response of our AI assistant. So here you can see I'm getting a message consisting of the services offered by the Serenity, Wellness and Care. So here you can see these are the services provided. Now let's move on to my knowledge base to check whether is this the data I have entered over there or not. So now let's move on to my knowledge base, and here you can see my AI assistant is responding to me with same services which I have entered in my knowledge base. So here you can see the magic of our AI assistant. So you can also create an AI assistant like this for enhancing your business and enhancing your users experience also, so that they don't have to wait for the office hours. They can ask their queries anytime from your AI assistant. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now, and stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating many more amazing automations, chatbots and AI assistants like this. So thank you for watching this video. So you can create many more chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. But if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Chatflow for free now.